So starting the test drive in the GTS here, just in normal mode, the shifts are snappy, the acceleration is quite impressive, and I love the sport exhaust sound. It's just, can't get enough of that. I'm gonna put in the Sport Plus mode just to show you how the difference is compared to the drive modes. It's ready to go. Doesn't want to shift. And I mean, it downshifts for you and everything. It's crazy. So it keeps the revs extremely high, and then when I put it into sport, it's a little less aggressive. But overall, I mean, a sporty vehicle while still looking luxurious, still feeling luxurious. So we're gonna get on the interstate here, and we're gonna give it some throttle. See if we can leave a little bit of space. Nobody's behind us. All right, I'm putting my foot to it. Oh my goodness. Just so exhilarating having that naturally aspirated V8. I mean, this transmission is just insane. And I just love the sound that this exhaust makes. But that was fun. I'm gonna put it back into normal mode now, and then we're gonna try the cruise on for a second. So you don't have a lot of driver assistance features here, but you have your cruise control, you have your blind spot monitors. This is a 2014, and Porsche kind of likes to wait on safety features compared to everyone else for whatever reason. Now I will say the ride quality, pretty good, very good actually. But these wheels do show just a little bit of wear on the ride quality. Just having these bigger 20-inch wheels, the thinner tires, I feel more in my foot than I do the actual seats, but I can tell just with this setup that it's not the smoothest ride. You get smaller wheels and things of that nature, less heavy wheels, and you'll have a better ride quality. But I can't get enough of this transmission here, just how nice the exhaust sounds paired with this V8. And then just how snappy the shifts are, and you just get that nice growl shifting this transmission, whether you're shifting down or up. And the stopping power is magnificent. Now this car is a little under $50,000, how it sits now, being pre-owned, being an almost 10-year-old car with 45,000 miles. But my gosh, it is a joy to drive. It really is. And still feels, just from an interior quality perspective and then just from the sophisticated exterior looks, still feels like a $50,000 car, which I'm sure it wasn't anywhere near that new, but it's still a Porsche. It still drives like a Porsche, sounds like a Porsche, and it's a Panamera GTS. Just an impressive machine. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2014 Porsche Panamera GTS.